Hi children, how are you? Today I will teach about vowel sound. What is that sound? Vowel sound. This one short sound. This one short sound. Long sound. This one short sound. Two sounds are there. Long sound and short sound. When there are two vowels in a word. When there are two vowels in the word. The first vowel gives the two long sound and the second vowels remain either silent to gives the short sound. Let's add a vowel to few three-letter words and read them to observe that they change the word. To read them to observe the change the word. Yes. Now read. What is this? Rat. Three letters. First only one vowel there. This one short sound. Rat. R-A-T. Rat. R-A-T. Two vowels there. So first vowel short sound, second vowel long sound. Rat, 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 R-A-T, rat, R-A-T-E, rat. And second one C-A-P, cap. Only first letter short sound. Cap, cape, cap, cape. Next tap, T-A-P, tap, T-A-P-E, two vowels there. So, long sound. Yes. This one. What is this? M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. M-A-N-E, man. Man. M-A-N-E, man. Yes. And next one. Wed. W-E-D, wed. W-E-D, wed. W-E-E-D. Two vowels there. W-E-E-D. Weed. Weed. Yes, long sound. This one short sound. And next T-E and ten. T-E and ten. What is that sound? Short sound. What is that sound? Short sound. T-E-E-N. Teen. Teen means long sound. Yes. B-E-D, bat. Short sound. B-E-A-D, bead. What is this sound? Long sound. And next, K-I-T, kit. Short sound. K-I-T-E, long sound. T-I-N, tin. F-I-N, fin. What is this sound? Short sound. F-I-N-E, fine. F-I-N-E, fine. What is that sound? Long sound. R-O-D, rod. R-O-D, rod. What is this? R-O-D, rod. Which sound there? Yes, short sound. What is the sound? Short sound. And next, R-O-D-E, rod. R-O-D-E, rod. R-O-D-E, rod. Yes, long sound. Long sound. Yes. And next one, N-O-T, not. N-O-T, not. Not, short sound. N-O-T-E, note. N-O-T-E, note. Note. Yes, long sound. This one, C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. Cut, short sound. Cute. C-U-T-E, cute. Long sound. Yes. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N-E, pine. Long sound. C-O-T, cot. Short sound. C-O-A-T, coat. What is that sound? Coat. Long sound. Yes. G-O-T, gut. G-O-T, gut. Short sound. G-O-A-T. G-O-A-T. Goat. Yes, long sound. T-U-B. Tub. What is that sound? T-U-B. Short sound. T-U-B-E. Tube. Long sound. Yes. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. Cub means Tiger baby. Cub. C. C-U-B. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. Short sound. C-U-B-E. Cube. Long sound. Yes. And next, activity. Yes, activity time. What is this book? Activity book. Now, this one, you paste the pictures. In back side is there, pictures there. So, you have to take one pictures are there. I will paste it the pictures. Read the words, paste that sticker related to its sound. Few are done for you. First one, hop. H-O-P-E, hop, long sound. Related picture, hop. H-O-P, hop. And next, P-I-N-E, pine, long sound. Related picture, P-I-N, pin. P-I-N-E, pine. P-I-N, pin. H-A-T-E, hat. H-A-T-E, hat. H-A-T, hat. Related picture, hat. And short sound. This is one long sound. Hat, hat. Hat, hat. T-U-B-E, tube. T-U-B-E, tube. Tube related picture, tub. Short sound. Tube related picture, tub. T-U-B, tub. And next, B-E-A-D, bead. B-E-A-D, bead. This one long sound. What is this? Bead related picture, bed. B-E-D, bed. You paste the picture. Okay, children. And next one. This one. R-E-D, red. Related picture, R-E-A-D, read. G-O-T, got, short sound. G-O-A-T, goat. Yes, this one, long sound. Goat, long sound. Got, short sound. Yes. T-A-P, tap. Yes, this one, short sound. T-A-P-E, tape. What is that sound? Tape, long sound. Yes. This one, K-I-T, kit. This one, short sound. K-I-T-E, kite, long sound. Yes, C-U-B, cup. C-U-B-E, cube. Next one. What is this? Long sound, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. You have to write goat spelling, okay? G-O-A-T, goat. Goat, long sound or short sound? Yes, long sound. Two vowels are there. So, long sound. Yes. This one, hat. H-A-T, hat. This one, long sound or short sound? Short sound. Yes, short sound. What is this? Tube. T-U-B-E, tube. T-U-B-E, tube. This one, long sound. B-E-D, bed. What is this? Short sound. Only one vowel sound. Name the given picture and put the number in the correct box. This one, car. C-A-R, car. K-I-T-E, kite. Kite, long sound. P-I-N, pin, short sound. R-O-P-E, rope, long sound. P-I-N, pin, short sound. C-U-P, cub, short sound. R-E-A-D, read. What is that sound? Long sound. Yes. T-A-P, tap, short sound. Yes, children. Now, activity. Name the given picture and put the number in correct box. Single vowel word. Single vowel means 3 letter words, 3 letter words, only single vowel. Yes, G-O-A-T, O-A, 2 vowels there. A, H-A-T, A. Number 2, this one. And next, B-E-D, 1 vowel, E. 4, number 4. And next, C-A-R, car, 1 vowels there. So, number 5. And next, pin, P-I-N, pin, number 7. This one, R-O-D, rod, sorry. R-O-D, rod. This one ninth number, and next number CUB cub 10 number, and next TAP tap only one vowel, so 12. This one, next one goat, 2 letter words, GOAT goat 1 number, and next TUBE tube, next third one 3 number, and next sixth one kite 1 2 letter word, 2 vowels, so number 2 vowel word number 6. And next rope, ROPE rope, 2 vowel words there, so what is the number? 8. And next read, READ read, 2 vowels there, so 11. This one wrong. Okay children, are you understand? Very good. And next one, this is activity color. You have to color. See children, read the words, use the color code and color the picture. Short U sound red, RED red. RED red color, you have to use red color. Short sound U, where is the short sound U? Where? Bug. So this one red color. You have to understand. Very good children. You have to every day you read and write. Okay children. You have to listen carefully. Your mother voice, you are listen carefully. Okay children. Thank you.